Savor the goodness of these gluten-free Korean beef bowls. Shred the cauliflower. Then add the shredded cauliflower to a non-stick skillet with 2 teaspoons of water. Cover with a lid and cook for about 7 minutes at medium-low until it softens. Transfer to a bowl. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium-high and add the ground beef. Cook, breaking it constantly until browned. Push the meat to one side of the skillet and add the sesame oil. Let it get hot for a couple of minutes. Then add the garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes. Cook for a couple of minutes. Mix everything together and add the soy sauce and honey. Mix everything. Turn off the heat and add the green onions. Season the cauliflower rice with salt, pepper, and cilantro. Serve the cauliflower rice with the meat, carrot, cucumber, sesame seeds, red pepper flakes, and green onions.